Hey there, welcome to the video where we dive into an interesting problem regarding the chfn command on Linux. The problem we are facing involves trying to set the office phone and home phone fields using chfn, which works fine, but there seems to be no direct parameter for setting a mobile phone number. Quite the conundrum, right? Now delving into the solution for this particular issue, the chfn command primarily deals with editing the GECOS field in the etc passwd file on Linux systems. The options available for the chfn command include F to change the full name, H for the home phone number, and O for the other GECOS information. Interestingly, this other field can be utilized to store additional contact information like mobile phone numbers, although it's typically used for other applications and requires superuser privileges to modify. Summing up our exploration, it appears that although there isn't a specific field for mobile phone numbers in the GECOS structure used by the chfn command, you can leverage the other field to include this information. This flexible approach allows for a workaround to accommodate various types of contact details within the system. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Remember, even your system files need a touch of personalization.